Euro dollar fell yesterday. Actually, quite a few major pairs fell yesterday against the stronger US dollar, the greenback, on the back, of course, of last Friday's NFP. There seems to be optimism around US and China. That's why the Aussie was supported initially, but then yesterday it started falling as markets turned to the RBA's decision. The euro dollar remains under pressure. Aussie dollar, however, is reversing yesterday's losses, and that is because the RBA remained pat. Didn't change the outlook on inflation, but they did reiterate that in case, of course, it's necessary, there will be further cuts. However, it's seen as positive in the markets as we speak. On euro dollar today, on the 1 hour chart, we are still, I still keep the same outlook. We're moving here with an ABC. We ended A, we ended B. It looks like C could turn as, could be that it's not like a flat pattern or anything. It's just that this double top now brings in the scenario of this becoming a more complex correction to the upside, right? Where we still expect a price above 112 to complete intermediate wave 4 and then start looking for sells, right? Now, the thing is, with that being here the case, we've got wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That could be an A, B, and then a C. As long, of course, as this low over here holds prices, let's say around 111, which is a good round level as well. In case we see a break, then probably look, we should be looking at prices moving down over here or even moving lower, to be honest, right? And this could just turn out to be a truncated C wave, although it's rarely seen, especially on zigzags. But the invalidation level for us would be the 110.62, around that level, right? If not mistaken. Let me just delete those drawings. No, it's actually a little bit higher, to be honest. Probably looking at 110.73, 75 or so. However, we are looking a little bit bearish as well on the RSI and MACD. That's why I believe we could go just a tiny bit lower to around 111 and then have a nice bounce to complete the last wave to the upside and then start looking for prices to find basically good signals that prices are going to move lower. Now, the other pair I want to look is the Aussie. We haven't looked at this one for a while. Aussie, as I said, over the past few hours started moving to the upside because of the let's say, remaining firm RBA. This pattern, again, see this as I used to before. We have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 is what we're expecting to see. This wave 5 is going to complete the intermediate wave 5, which in the longer term has a target of around 65, 66 cents, if not mistaken. On that move to the downside is certainly not as impulsive as we originally thought because we broke above that level, right? We've had this break initially, which could be a false break, but now, of course, after this correction and then the continuation now higher, we can say that's not really impulsive, which makes me think, are we on 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, or are we going to turn this into a corrective move? Okay. We still have some time to see how this turns out. Now, as we speak, we've had this ABC correction, right? And with B down here, we completed a flat pattern. Looks like a flat. Which means that we've had a flat is a 3, 3, and 5, right? So we've had 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, Within this last wave, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's why I'm marking this as number 3, then 4, and we should see prices having another move to the upside, most likely sharp, taking out break-even stops. We could go anywhere between 69.60 and 69.80. Although the top level might be a bit far-fetched, we could get to around like 69,500, which is a nice round level, and then start looking for prices to start looking at levels to start selling pretty much. So this is all for the day. I would pay attention to both Euro dollar and Aussie dollar because of trade wars and because of the US non-manufacturing PMI.